Welcome to Studio Biology. In this video, we are going to discuss the structure of castor oil seed, that is Ricinus communis. Seed is produced in a spiny ragma. Which later on breaks up into three cocci, each with a single seed. Now the external structure of castor oil seed, the shape is roughly oblong. It is narrow at one end. We can see that narrow at one end, while it is broad at another end. So this is the broader end, this is the narrow end. Now surfaces, there are two surfaces. One is ventral, another one is dorsal. The ventral surface is flat, while the dorsal surface is somewhat convex. The color is mottled dark brown. With smooth and shining surface. You can observe the shining surface. If we externally observe the seed, we can observe this structure. It is known as caracal. Now what is this caracal? Caracal is white, spongy and bilobed structure located at the narrow end of seed. It is also known as Elaeosome of mustard family. Important thing is that it is rich in lipids and proteins. Now what is the significance or importance of caracal is that ants carry these seeds and feed the caracal to their larva. So it becomes a mode of dispersal of seed, that is myrmecochory. Now the next structure which can be observed is hilum. So hilum is a dark scar at the base of caracal on the ventral side. It is partly covered by caracal. Hilum is the place at which the funicle is attached to the seed. There is another structure known as micropyle near the hilum, and it is completely covered by caracal, so it cannot be observed externally. Now the internal structure of castor oil seed. First of all, we'll observe the outermost covering, and that is known as testa. Now this testa is thick, outer, hard and brittle shell. Now the next structure just below the testa is this one. This is known as perisperm. Now this perisperm is thin, white, inner, papery layer or cover. Important thing is that it represents the persistent nucellus and it stores oil and some proteins in it. Now the next structure is these these thin structures, which can be observed here also. These are representing the cotyledons. Now few points about the cotyledons. Cotyledons are thin, 2 in number, semi-transparent. These are having palmate venations, in which the middle rib is prominent. The shape may be almost oval shape. So these are the cotyledons, and embryonic axis is also visible. Now where is embryonic axis? This area represents the shoot apex. Then just below the shoot apex there will be epicotyle. Then below the epicotyle hypocotyle is there, and just below that in the lowermost portion radicle is there. Important thing is that the radicle lies outside the cotyledon. We can observe the cotyledon is this one, so it is lying outside the cotyledon. These all structure together constitute the embryonic axis, which is also known as tigellum. So we can say that the castor oil seed is dicotyledonous, perispermic, and also the endospermic. So these are viewpoints about the structure of castor oil seed. Thanks for watching this video.